Hello, welcome to my tutorial. In the tutorial, I will show how to unlock locked and hidden power plan settings on your Windows 10 or 11. Open Power Settings. Here you will be show the currently available options. Let's begin. First, open PowerShell in administrator mode. Now here you have the commands that you will paste separately into PowerShell. Each command is for a separate power plan. You can activate the one you want or all of them. Once you have activated what you want, close PowerShell and open the power plan settings again. The plans you have activated will now display there. One more important thing, some newer laptops will not unlock these options because they are hidden and locked by the software. Unlocking these power plans is then more demanding and often risky.